I say more about Jumadi, so the name is always HY, and you know exactly how you do it. So when you subscribe to the channel, I'm sure more than subscribe to the channel. Near for community week and query. Me say, me and did that, or be catching my community, they say, wait, make you 2 cities. No have unlimited call to all networks. All networks will, which is with my friend MTN. Hey, I told you go, Vodafone. Say Casapacra or Hokrana, unlimited. Oh, you beer, would the say course, Yoda. And I say course now, pa. They say 2 cities pay for unlimited calls to all networks. Make sure fast. Make sure we are. Now I have be my wife. And I say, girlfriend. What I say? Oh dear, my sure. And the kind very simple. Okay, so for phone and what be dial? Dial. Now, if you want dial *533 our hash. Now, call. Ebe loduaba. Loduba now choose offer. You see, we're made just for you. Alright. Made just for you. What you should a year. The second one, unlimited all net course. Unlimited all net course. Second one, 2. Okay. So with this, you'll be able to call any network at all in Ghana with 2 Ghana cedis for unlimited time, which is 24 hours. And I'm what 24 hours, which is 1 day. You'll be able to call anybody. Time limit be any. Sorry. Call limit unlimited call, unlimited minutes call. To go long or if anything. Meeting also one caller. Just do this bundle. Now call. And one on simple it here. I change my call back. Alright. But mind you, this bundle only works on Airtel Tigo. So my Canada. You say Airtel Tigo. This video is not sponsored by them, but Charlie, me come for Airtel Tigo. Hey, network party more this arm. Network more there. We need some man catch order that call person and I call Ghana card. Na ko register sem ni bi na to bi. So be the crown and wo ho a won use panachoneje. Na Airtel Tigo more there to do. Thanks for watching this video and see you in the next one. The first never to be there. Don't turn up again.